Thousands of stars shining bright across the pitch-black night sky, an image that has long fascinated people around the world. But these aren't actually stars. They're what scientists call marine snow, particles drifting to the deep that, crazily enough, includes a lot of poop. Wait, what? Believe it or not, all of this poop raining down into the depths of the ocean is really important in our fight against climate change. That's some important poop, but where does it all come from?
Del Monte Beach over the weekend, you may have seen these. Monterey Bay Aquarium says they are salps, S-A-L-P-S. It's kind of a jellyfish thing.
In recent years, people have reported lots of weird jellies washing up along the shores of California, but they couldn't figure out what they were. Dr. Moira Decima and her team are on the case.
My name is Moira Decima. I'm an assistant professor at the Scripps Institution of Oceanography and the curator of the Pelagic Invertebrate Collection. Salps are barrel-shaped gelatinous zooplankton. What's cool about zooplankton is there are lots of little different groups that have different characteristics. The shapes of zooplankton are bizarre enough that they served as inspiration for aliens and weird creatures in lots of movies.
Moira's team will take these really cool samples, separate them by size, and neatly arrange them for scanning by a powerful computer. Once scanned, they can see how many animals are in the sample and what type of animal they are. Salps trap carbon by eating a lot, and while doing this, they produce loads of fecal pellets, sending carbon to the deep with that beautiful sinking poop.
Salps are our most extreme example of how zooplankton can play a very important role in the ocean's capability of trapping carbon at depth. So we have lots of salps that produce lots of pellets that are dense and large and sink very quickly. The faster that a particle can sink in the ocean, the deeper it can get and the longer it's sequestered away from the atmosphere. The ocean is responsible for absorbing a large amount of the carbon that we put into the atmosphere. So if it weren't for the capability of the ocean of absorbing the CO2, we actually would have an even worse problem with climate change. What we're seeing in different places are communities that are changing in composition. And so as we reach this accelerating rate of climate change, we can expect the zooplankton communities to start to change dramatically and also to some extent perhaps irreversibly.
Salps and other zooplankton are unsung heroes in our fight against climate change with their truly astonishing weapon.
Poop?
Poop. Poop. Poo-poo.
Not only that, zooplankton are also sentinels of change, often providing the first clue that something fundamental is shifting within a marine ecosystem. Scientists like Dr. Decima and her team can detect that change early on by studying how these communities vary over time. And this could yield key insights into how our oceans are changing. This is only one of the many mysteries waiting to be solved in the ocean, our planet's most fascinating, untrodden final frontier.